Hello guys, today I will show you Happy New Year effect. I mean text effect. First, create a shape. So I will select pencil tool. After that, create your text. I mean draw your text. I use this image and draw a line. Make sure your line is perfect. You use any shape, any font, any text if you want. After finish your shape, make this path stroke 3 pixels. I think edges are not, so go to smooth tool. Okay, and first thing, select all shape. Select this shape if you want smooth. Draw a smooth line. Okay, nice. And create one circle. After that, select a circle. Stroke none. Color is gradient. Go to gradient menu. If you don't see gradient menu, go to window and click gradient and choose a color. I will choose first pink and last color is blue. Maybe last color, middle color is blue and last color is anyone if you want. Okay, and press your alt key and duplicate the shape. After that, control and command D, you can do this multiple times. After that, go to window, blend option, and step is turn trend. After that, go to object, blend and make. So this is nice effect. So now we can duplicate this shape. After that, select one and select one line. After that, go to object, blend and replace. Okay, this shape is ready. You can make all shapes like this. After that, we can adjust some shape. Select direct selection tool and click on the circle and little bit down. We can adjust some size. After that, select both of them. I want to change the step in 200 and then this one 200. Okay, it's nice. After that, make it center. Okay. And make a background. So I will create a one rectangle. And fill color is black. My artboard size is too low, so I will decrease the size. Okay, so this is a newer effect. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestion, please do comment.